Welcome! In today's guide, I'm going to show you the updated steps on how to mute Telegram notifications quickly and easily. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant pings from chats or group conversations, don't worry. Muting them only takes a few moments, and you'll finally have the peace of mind you need without leaving the conversation. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, head to the chat or group that you'd like to mute. This could be an individual chat with a friend or a big group that's a little too active during the day. Next, tap on the chat name at the very top of your screen. When you do this, the chat settings page will appear. Here, you'll see an option labeled Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you'll be given several mute options, ranging from short time frames like 1 hour to longer options like a day or a week. But if you really want to stop notifications from that chat indefinitely, choose the option called Mute Forever. This ensures that you won't get any notification alerts from this chat or group while still keeping all your messages there whenever you decide to check them. Once you've selected Mute Forever, that's it. The changes are saved instantly, and your notifications for that chat or group are completely silenced. You can always return to the same menu at any time if you decide you'd like to unmute or adjust your preferences later on. Muting chats is a simple and effective way to manage your Telegram notifications so you can focus on what matters most. Whether it's working, studying, or just enjoying some quiet time, you don't have to miss out on messages. You simply get to read them at your own pace. And there you have it. The updated steps to mute Telegram notifications. Now you know how to take control of your chat alerts and create a distraction-free experience whenever you need it.